For the chain stitch, come up with the needle at the beginning of your line, then go back down to the same hole, holding a good sized loop in your hand. Bring your needle up at the spot where the end of a petal will be. Pull your needle through the loop, but not too tight. Insert the needle back into the last point. Again, leave a small loop, and from now, do the same actions as before. Try to make your stitches evenly spaced. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my embroidery tutorials.